ke Rainbow of Sounds Music School ke Badan Shillong Maubri Bhoi District ke Perlong Sisin Citayo ha ke Singsa Jan ha Little Flower Higher Secondary School Maubri ke Don Bunjait ke Kom Hikai ha ke Liang ke Tem Kaput bat karwai ke Siau keyboard, guitar, western vocal, Indian classical vocal, khasi instruments bat khasi vocal kikena akibahan nyos dam senang kila banwan pentebit ha ke music school bat omdan jinge na ke bynta ke larang baru banwan pentebit ha ke music school. Hadin ga jingmi ki jingken tho halor ga jing Aiwai ya ki katto kanik bynta jong ga jingtei Meghalaya House ke Badan Kolkata ka balkan tho da ki nongyalam jong ga Voice of the People's Party ha kini khindiat singi ki bladam u menteri rangba jong ga jela kunrat ke sangma hane ga singi ha bakar na kilat pathai khubor ulong bagaseng VPP ke dei ban le muak lane ban kre kot bha lane ban wat bnia bha shua ban kan tho lane ban kenno bagadan ga jing pran kam bakla ha ka ba Aiwai ya ki katto kanik bynta jong ga jingtei ke Meghalaya House ke Badan Kolkata. Daka jing bitar menteri rangba ke jela konrad ke sangma ulong bakan bahashibun ye keseng san pertai Voice of the People's Party bakan ti benia shwa ban kernya ke bamla ban long namar ke jing Aiwai ya ki katto kani ke bynta jong ke jingtei ke Meghalaya House ha Kolkata kamlong ke basisha u konrad ula pentip ke kamera ke bal Aiwai ke dei bala shui klem penon kam da ki katto kani snem bat namar kata ka Sorkar kala pentikna bakan khot da ke tanda ban Aiwai bat unong thong behedu unio ban simwai ka Voice of the People's Party kala keno ba Sorkar kala Aiwai ya kene kamera Shaphang roki dhar ubari upara trai jong sembut menteri ramba ke jela uba singapha langdhar Shushu menteri ramba ke jela ulong ba omdai ban shu keno ino klem da thau klem da wo da ka ban rap batong ba kene kam menta la jan khat san snem hadin maladap tai ye kene ying kala shu sa thli klem panan kam Baroh ki Iakren halor ke Jingduhnong jong Sorkar jela ki klur tengka nagi Khajna Henry ban Aiwai ke kamera bala shui ban yo Khajna pan kamlong mo bo jingkeliu menteri rangba.
Almost for the last 15 years, this particular property, after being constructed, has been lying unutilized. You're talking of loss of crores of revenue for the state government. It's a beautiful asset which should have been tendered out a long time back. We took it up in the month, in the last term, I can't remember the year, that was 2019 or something, but we took up the matter and we decided that we must go ahead with this because I had visited and I saw the halls just lying empty. I saw the tourism counter just being there and not really being that productive. The agriculture counter being there, but there's not much activity going on. And this is in the heart of Kolkata. And hence the overall revenue generation that we lost was quite sad. And hence we decided immediately that we should tender the place out and in true tendering process, open, ask everybody to come in and whoever gives the highest amount, this was decided that it should be given a proper process. And in the process, the highest bidder has got it. The highest bidder happens to be individual A, individual B. That's not something that I can comment on. But the point is that the procedure and the process has been followed and the highest tender and the person who's given the highest revenue has been given. And more importantly, as I said, it was a huge loss of revenue for us, which we've been having for a long time. And I'm happy that this has been done now. And finally, we are going to start getting some revenue out of this location, which will obviously benefit the state as well.